Hi, my name is Paul Christmas and welcome to the Unthinking IB Geography site. The purpose of this video is just to show you the resources available on the website, to show how that's organized and to help you navigate it. So the first thing I want to show you is the site map. The site map is the easiest and quickest way to find a resource. So in blue here we have those top headings for the syllabus, the sub-themes within those top headings. And these grey and blue boxes are all individual lesson pages. So if I just drag down quickly, you can see that there's really a comprehensive amount of resources here. In fact, it's fully resourced to teach the entire course. If I just click on one of these lessons, it takes you straight to the page, which has those resources that you can see. I'll go back to the site map, click on another one randomly here, and again, fully resourced. And another one here. So, another way of navigating the site is via the home page. You'll be more familiar with this setup with the key headings and drop-down boxes. Within the optional themes, we have 4 fully resourced units, plus urban environments, which is under construction. Each theme is set up in the same way with an assessment map, revision quizzes, and then the sub-units below. The assessment map provides the syllabus on the left-hand side, and then alongside here on the right are the assignments which are optional for you to set. They are fact sheets, glossaries, essay questions, student investigations, and they work their way through that unit. These are also found within the pages where there's scaffolding resources to help the students with that assignment. If I go to geophysical hazards, you can see we have revision quizzes. This includes Quizalize, but also the inbuilt quizzes within the Unthinking site, which link to the mark books. If I click on Geophysical Systems, perhaps plate movement, you can see that there is an inquiry question. There's 1 hour recommended teaching, the lesson objective here, and brief teacher notes for the activities. Generally, I'd say that each page is over-resourced. There's more than 1 hour's worth of resources here, but then that gives you the flexibility as a teacher to plan your own lessons, to set extension work for the students, and to set assignments. I have the site set up with most pages accessible to the students, and that way they can catch up work that they miss or read ahead. So on this page we've got a PDF starter, a gallery, what connects the images, embedded videos, more printable PDFs, embedded animations, and quite extensive text to have the students read through the subject. At the bottom of this page we've got an exam question on hotspots. So this isn't one of the key assessments set out in the assessment map, but it's an additional question that you'd use in lesson time. Back to the top, we've got the standard level, high level core, which is set up in a very similar way with the assessment map. We've still got the revision resources to go into this section of the site. The high level core extension, the same thing, assessment map, and then down there the drop down boxes for the individual lessons. There's an extensive internal assessment section with a student guide and exemplary material, particularly this data presentation section, which is very helpful for the students to see really good quality presentation techniques. There's an extensive TOK section, especially this area here for geography reflections. This should help the students, help them choose TOK presentations, or you could use those reflections as part of your lessons to insert some TOK into geography. There's an extensive area for the extended essays, including the guide and model extended essay work. So that's the site. I hope it works for you. If you do have any questions, please email me and I'll happily get back in touch with you.